Unlocking the power of sensory language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: appeal to the senses. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also elevate your ability to comprehend and use English more effectively. So, let's explore how appealing to the senses can transform your communication skills. Appeal to the senses is a phrase that refers to the use of sensory details in language to describe something. This involves invoking the five senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. By appealing to the senses, writers or speakers can create vivid images in the minds of their audience, making experiences more relatable and descriptions more vivid. Let's break down how each sense can be appealed to with examples. Sight. The sunset painted the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple. Hearing. The leaves rustled softly in the breeze, whispering secrets of the forest. Touch. The sweater was as soft as a cloud against my skin. Smell. The aroma of freshly baked bread filled the room, warming our hearts. Taste. The pie tasted like a blend of sweet apples and a hint of cinnamon. These examples show how appealing to the senses creates a more immersive and engaging experience for the listener or reader. Appealing to the senses is crucial for several reasons. Enhances descriptions. It makes descriptions more detailed and vivid. Engages the audience. Sensory details can evoke emotions and memories, making the audience feel more connected to the content. Improves memory retention. People are more likely to remember information that has been described using sensory details. To incorporate sensory appeals into your language. 1. Be observant. Pay attention to the details in your surroundings. 2. Practice descriptive writing. Try describing objects, places, or experiences using sensory details. 3. Read widely. Reading literature rich in sensory descriptions can inspire and improve your own use of language. We hope this video has illuminated the power of appealing to the senses in language. By integrating sensory details into your speech or writing, you can create more vivid, memorable, and engaging content. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find your English communication skills blossoming in ways you never imagined. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English learning tips. See you in the next video.